Hi, my name is Anthony Limoncelli, and I'm a musician with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. I just played the concert E-flat major scale, which for us trumpet players is our F major scale. There are a few tips with this just to play it in tune. Both Fs, our first space and our top line Fs, need to be adjusted if you have a first valve slide by pulling this out slightly. We can also adjust our 1 and 2 combination. If not, just be conscious of your pitch and try to play in tune. That was the concert E-flat major scale. I hope these tips help you in your practice.